Alright, so welcome to Shivaya Traders. So I've come up with a new shoe which is by the name of Adidas. You can see these are all original shoes. The best part is that this is of 5000 MRP, but here I'm giving for 30% discount for just only 3500. It's a pure original Adidas shoe. The best part is that why we are selling it for 30% discount, because in the showroom somewhere around it gives you the fixed price, but herein we are the wholesalers. That's why we are giving you the special discounts on this. Check this one. Now moving on, I'm also selling this the Wrangler one. This is the Wrangler, the big boot. You can see this is a pure leather one. The MRP of the shoe is 7600, but herein I'm giving you 50% discount on this. You can see the quality of the sole. The 50% discount somewhat comes around 3499. Moving on, I also got the Reebok. You can see these Reeboks are almost available in the showrooms for 4500, but I'm selling it for only just 2750, which is the 40% discount on this. You check this one. And moving on, I have one more shoe which is left with me. You can see this is the Skechers. The Skechers, the only one shoe I'm left with. All are sold. This is of 7600. This is the UK 10 number I'm left with. You can go for this and I'll give you 50% on this. So it will cost you 3499. So please visit the store once, and my store is in Goregaon. You can check all the collection.